Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The drone market is experiencing rapid growth, with demand for compact, high-performance models soaring. DJI, a leader in the industry, is poised to further solidify its position with the imminent release of the Mini 5 Pro. This sub-250G drone promises a significant leap forward, offering a compelling blend of portability, power, and user-friendliness. Let's dissect the anticipated features in detail. A camera system redefining compact drone photography. The heart of any drone lies in its camera system. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a 1-inch sensor, a substantial upgrade from the 1/1.3-inch sensor in the Mini 4 Pro. This shift has profound implications. Enhanced low-light performance. Larger sensors excel in low-light conditions. The 1-inch sensor will capture more light, resulting in significantly reduced noise, improved dynamic range, and more vibrant colors, even in challenging lighting scenarios like dusk, dawn, or overcast skies. This opens up new creative possibilities for capturing stunning aerial footage throughout the day. Sharper images and improved detail. The larger sensor size translates to larger individual pixels, capturing more detail and resulting in sharper images with improved clarity. This is crucial for capturing intricate details in landscapes, architecture, and other subjects. Bokeh effects. The larger sensor will enable smoother bokeh, creating a more cinematic and visually appealing effect in your photos and videos. This artistic element adds depth and dimension to your footage, making it stand out. 2. 4K video at 60 FPS. A cinematic leap forward. The anticipated 4K video recording at 60 frames per second is a game-changer for videographers and filmmakers. Smooth and fluid motion. 60 FPS captures motion more smoothly, minimizing motion blur and creating a more cinematic and professional look. This is particularly crucial when capturing fast-moving subjects, such as sports, wildlife, or even vehicles. Enhanced slow-motion effects. 60 FPS allows for smoother and more visually appealing slow-motion effects, adding a creative dimension to your footage. Improved post-production flexibility. Higher frame rates provide more flexibility in post-production. You can easily slow down footage while maintaining high image quality, allowing for more creative editing options. Expanded storage for uninterrupted creativity. The rumored 8 GB of onboard storage is a significant upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's 2 GB. This increase offers several key benefits. Extended recording sessions. With more storage, you can capture longer flights and more footage without the constant worry of running out of space. This eliminates interruptions and allows for more spontaneous and creative shooting sessions. Improved workflow efficiency. Reduced reliance on external storage during flights streamlines the workflow. You can capture footage without the hassle of transferring files mid-flight, especially in remote locations. Flexibility and convenience. The increased storage provides greater flexibility and convenience, especially for users who shoot frequently or capture high-resolution footage. Extended flight times for more fun and productivity. The anticipated 40-minute flight time per charge represents a significant leap forward, offering numerous advantages. Increased coverage and exploration. Longer flight times allow you to explore larger areas, capture more expansive views, and cover more ground during a single flight. More creative freedom. You have more time to experiment with different angles, compositions, and flight paths, unleashing your creativity. Improved efficiency for professionals. For professional drone pilots and content creators, longer flight times translate to more efficient shoots, less downtime spent changing batteries, and ultimately, more productivity. Advanced obstacle avoidance. Safer and more intuitive flights. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to build upon the Mini 4 Pro's impressive obstacle avoidance system with advancements in both hardware and software. Enhanced sensor array. A more sophisticated array of sensors, potentially including higher resolution cameras, more sensitive ultrasonic sensors, and possibly even LiDAR sensors, will enable more accurate and responsive obstacle detection. Improved algorithms. Advanced algorithms will allow the drone to better process sensor data, recognize more complex obstacles, and make more intelligent decisions regarding flight paths. Increased safety and peace of mind. These enhancements will significantly improve flight safety, reducing the risk of collisions and allowing pilots to focus more on capturing the desired footage with increased confidence. More intuitive flight experience. The improved obstacle avoidance system will make flying more intuitive, allowing for smoother and more enjoyable flight experiences, especially for beginners. maintaining portability and ease of use. While packed with advanced features, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to maintain the compact and foldable design that has made the Mini series so popular. Easy transportation and storage. The foldable design ensures easy transportation and storage, making it ideal for travel, hiking, and other outdoor activities. User-friendly interface. DJI is known for its user-friendly interfaces, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to continue this tradition, making it easy for both beginners and experienced pilots to operate. Conclusion. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to redefine the compact drone category. With its anticipated advancements in camera technology, flight time, obstacle avoidance, and storage, it promises to be a powerful and versatile tool for both hobbyists and professionals.